So guys, this is the part 2. So actually yesterday we went to the mountain. We look for the dead carabao and we carry its meat. I think the carabao, as they say, as my friends or those who who are with me yesterday, I think they estimated that carabao was dead since Monday or Tuesday, and yesterday is Saturday, and today is Sunday. So they estimated that carabao has been dead for over 4 or 5 days. Then we went and get it yesterday. Although the smell is it smells bad, but still the meat is good. And yesterday it was funny, especially when we are going. So we are on our way to get the carabao's meat. It was very enjoyable and exciting, and it was very funny because every time we notice something, we joke about it. So it was very funny, but sorry guys, I was not able to record it. Actually, my plan was to record it from the starting, when we are still in our house, up until when we get there to the area where the carabao was dead, then up until when we go home again. But some I have record some. I think one video is 30 seconds, then the other video is 2 minutes. So I just recorded that because I was not able to record from the start to finish, because some of those who came is always putting me down or joking about me on I am posting, I'm recording, something like that. Is joking. So I felt down every time people are teasing me like that. So I just decided not to record it. But honestly, it was very enjoyable yesterday, and I was not able to show you. And for those who understands Ilocano, Kankanaoy, they will laugh about it, about our topic, about our jokes. They will laugh because it was very funny. But as I always said, I didn't record it. So I hope there's someone in our barangay who's watching this video from Barangay Maligong. Comment down, a shout out. Because yesterday when I just noticed, I don't know when I went to the store, to our sari-sari store in our barangay. I went to buy something, and I was shocked that the child, one of the children, say that, oh, in our dialect, of course he says it on our dialect, say, ala, mayam kag-awisan te, man nga nit into kailan subscriber mo kay, which means he is saying that I'm near to 2K subscribers on my YouTube channel, but when I see again my subscriber, yeah, when I heard that, then I just smiled and keep quiet. Then when I went to the area where I have an internet, I checked my subscriber again and see if it is near to 2K, but when I saw it, no. Having 1 subscriber or 2 subscriber or 3 subscriber in 1 week, 1 month, 1 year is very hard. Having 1 subscriber in 1 year is very hard. Unless you are famous, you are known, you have humor, sense of humor, you are funny, something like that, or you are famous, then you will get a number of subscribers instantly, and views also, and share and comment. But when you are like me, because I'm an introvert, and actually I have many opportunities to change my personality, my attitude and characteristic. Speaking of introvert, being an introvert person, but I think it is deep in my mind, it is better to be like this as an introvert. I don't know, because I have many opportunities to be an extrovert, but deep in my mind, and I know that when I'm an extrovert, I'll change myself as an extrovert, then I think I'll do something bad. Yeah, mainly bad things. Actually, it is true, based on scientific, that we introverts are very talkative when the person that we are talking or we are hanging with we are very comfortable. Then yeah, so if you know an introvert and he or she is very talkative to you, then be thankful because uh, introverts are very picky on who they will trust to tell their story, to tell their feelings, to tell their uh, secrets, and to hang out with. Uh, be very thankful if you have an introvert friend. But of course, so guys, we are now here. Actually, just maybe 50 meters uphill more, then that's the area. But actually, we are now here. I'll show you the area. So this is our rice fields here. This is our rice field. Up until in this area, that's our rice field. So we will go up here.